Hello and welcome, and thank you for selecting Mission CIT's EMS Care courseware. I am Missa, your host for the first part of this chapter about hemorrhage control for the EMS provider. My colleague Justin and I will take turns presenting the material. As a reminder, or in case you are starting in this chapter, most of the course materials are available via audio, so you can listen while on the move. The audio is intended to complement the written materials and may vary from the words in the slide deck. More importantly, we will include some essential additional information, so be sure to listen carefully. Justin, do you have anything to add?
Thank you, Missa. First, I want to thank the course instructor Amy Lynn Roberts for providing the guidance and material to share with you. In addition, we thank the Connecticut EMS Advisory Board, Education and Training Committee, for the original content. If you should have questions, please notice the left-hand column on this page, and use the tab named Browse Q&A. Here you are able to view other students' questions and responses, or ask your own. Answers will be made available within 1 business day or sooner. Questions will be covered during the chat and video sessions as well. And if you would like to follow the words, please click the link below to see the speech text. Note that the elevator slide bar for this text is on the far right of your screen. There is also a closed captioning for this chapter. If it is not turned on, if accessible, turn it on from the YouTube control bar at the bottom of the video. If not available, you would have to go to any YouTube video in another tab, and then turn the CC on there. Missa, please continue.
Thank you, Justin. So, there are 2 videos during this topic. The first video is about applying the CAT or Combat Application Tourniquet. The second video then demonstrates how to use the SOF Tactical Tourniquet. Finally, there is an attachment with a PDF of the Connecticut State Hemorrhage Control PowerPoint referenced in this chapter. We begin this chapter on hemorrhage control for the EMS provider with an introduction to the subject. We subsequently explore in depth wound packing, pressure dressings, and tourniquet use. We then discuss the state of Connecticut protocols for tourniquet application and finish with the 2 videos. As you go through your studies, there are 5 core concepts to take into consideration. 1. Know the indications for use of the different types of hemorrhage control methods and tools. 2. Understand the why behind each method. 3. Referencing your local protocols for each method. 4. Keep in mind the basics of PPE, scene size up, and patient assessment. 5. Have a thorough understanding of the tools and devices available on your truck. Note that the practical part of hemorrhage control will be scheduled in accordance with the course you are taking. A few important points before we start our lessons. This topic references several commonly available products for controlling hemorrhage. Students should be familiar with the hemorrhage control products approved for use by their medical control. Use of a specific product in this chapter should not be construed as an endorsement of that product. So, now that we have made the lawyers happy, Justin will join you next to provide an overview of hemorrhage control. Good studying.